If you're looking to implement Outgrow in your email workflows, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to seamlessly integrate interactive content like quizzes, calculators, and surveys into your emails, making them more engaging and helping you drive better results. Whether you're new to Outgrow or have been using it for a while, this step-by-step guide will show you exactly how to put it to work for your email campaigns. Outgrow is a powerful tool that lets you create personalized, interactive content, and it's a game changer when it comes to email marketing. Imagine being able to send an email that's more than just text or images. Now you can send emails with dynamic personalized quizzes or calculators that encourage recipients to engage directly within their inbox. This not only boosts engagement, but also helps you gather valuable data on your audience. Here's how to get started. First, you'll need to create an interactive experience in Outgrow. Whether it's a quiz to learn more about your audience's needs or a calculator that gives them personalized recommendations, it all begins with designing the content within the Outgrow platform. Outgrow's intuitive drag-and-drop builder makes it easy to customize the flow and design, so even if you're not a designer, you can create something that looks great. Once you've built your interactive content, it's time to integrate it with your email workflow. Outgrow gives you a variety of embed options for your email campaigns. You can either embed a link to your interactive experience or embed the actual content directly into your email. The advantage of embedding a link is that it keeps your emails lightweight and easy to load. However, embedding content directly into your email can lead to even higher engagement, as recipients don't need to leave their inbox to participate. Now here's the key. Outgrow also allows you to personalize these experiences based on the information you already have about your subscribers. If you are using email segmentation, you can send different experiences to different groups. For example, send one type of quiz to your new subscribers and a completely different one to your more engaged audience. This makes the experience even more relevant, increasing the likelihood of higher engagement and conversions. As you're setting up your workflows, you'll also want to automate how these interactions flow. Outgrow integrates seamlessly with popular email marketing platforms like MailChimp, HubSpot, and Marketo. This means you can automate the sending of interactive content to specific segments based on triggers like when a user subscribes or clicks on a link. You can also track their responses and, based on their interactions, trigger follow-up emails to nurture them further down the funnel, but it doesn't stop there. Outgrow's integration with these platforms allows you to easily monitor the performance of your campaigns. You can track how many people interacted with your email, which content performed best, and ultimately how those interactions contributed to conversions. This data is invaluable because it allows you to fine-tune your email workflows over time, making sure you're always delivering the most engaging and effective content. One thing to remember is that you don't have to dive into this all at once. Start small. Test out one quiz or calculator in your next email campaign and see how it performs. As you get comfortable, you can experiment with more complex workflows and personalization to get even better results. The beauty of Outgrow is that it's incredibly flexible. So whether you're just starting out or looking to scale, it can work for you. And here's the best part. You can start using Outgrow for free by clicking the link below. Not only that, but we've secured an exclusive extended trial for you, so you can explore all the features and start implementing Outgrow in your email workflows without any risk. In conclusion, implementing Outgrow in your email workflows is a powerful way to boost engagement, gather valuable insights, and ultimately drive conversions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, Outgrow's intuitive interface and seamless integrations make it easy to level up your email campaigns. Don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial from the link below and start transforming your email workflows today.